One of the basic and main tools of the world of information and communication technology is the computer. The knowledge society requires its application in every area in which it operates. The computer, since its appearance in the human life, has suffered several transformations, classifying its technological development in generations. The main elements of a computer are hardware. Hardware is defined as a joint of components of physical devices that intervene in a computer system. The components of a computer can be classified according to the function they perform in input devices, output devices, and processing and storage. The input devices are the ones from which the information is introduced to the computer to be processed and transformed. Some examples are keyboard, barcode reader, scanner, mouse, webcam, microphone, touchscreen, etc. Output devices. They are the ones that shows to the user the data previously transformed and processed. The most used are the printer, which shows the information in written form, the monitor, which presents the information in a visual form, the speakers, which present information in sound form. The storage devices. They are the ones that permit to store or save information. These are classified in main and secondary memory. The main memory acts directly with the computer in all the input and output operations, allowing to store and to recover instantly data and programs with which it is working. The main memory is composed by ROM and RAM. ROM is a program memory by the manufacturer and it's a permanent memory. Once the data have been written in this memory, they cannot be changed. RAM is a memory that stores information that it is being executed in that moment, so it can process it quickly. The information that it contains is renewed constantly, and when the computer is restarted or is shut down, all information contained in it is lost. The secondary memory, also called secondary storage, it permits to save programs and data in a permanent way. The most used storage devices are the hard disk, the floppy disk, compact disk, digital video disk, memory USB, among others. The central process unit, also called CPU, is the component in charge to transform data into information. It is considered as the brain of the computer, where most of the operations are carried out. Software. It is the set of instructions or programs that are introduced in a computer in order to carry out a process. System software. It administrates and controls the operation of the hardware. Application software. It permits to execute specific tasks from the user.
Operative system. The operative system is the most important program of a computer. It is defined as the program that permits the user to take control of the computer, both software and hardware, so he/she can administrate it to reach good performance. Booting a computer is the process by which the operating system is loaded in memory. All computers must have installed an operative system. Functions. Some of the main functions of the operating system are: Number 1. It interprets and executes the instructions through the interface that provides to the user. Number 2. It optimizes communication between input and output devices. Number 3. It coordinates the processing of tasks. Number 4. It provides diagnostic errors of the basic parts of the computer. Number 5. It serves as a connection to run the application software. The hardware of the computer does not perform nothing by itself. It requires the software and first the operating system, which has the purpose to provide the necessary instructions so the software interacts with the hardware and that the application software works in a way that the user and the computer communicate. Classification. The operating system can be classified in the following form. Multi-user. It permits two or more users to execute programs at the same time. Multitask. It permits to execute two or more programs or applications at the same time. And multiprocessing. means of multiple processing that have more than one processor which operates in the same memory but executes simultaneously processes. Windows 7. Windows is the operating system that dominates the market of computers, which since its apparition has had different versions. As you know, operating systems have been designed for a variety of mobile devices, besides of the computer equipments, which have become increasingly popular and easy to use. In few years, they have entered to the market. They have gained millions of users around the world since their apparition, approximately in the year of 1985. Windows has been evolving. Each version has improvements in the product